Where can a guy get a decent haircut around here?
Farmer Joe, it's almost 3 o'clock. I think we're all out of beef, so why don't we go for the goat with the red tag on his ear? Never get me, never get me, never get me, never get me, never gonna get me. It's 3 o'clock.
Mom. Hey, Mom. I really want to talk to you about that allowance. You've been talking about giving me a raise and all for vacuuming the floors and washing all the clothes and picking up my socks and taking care of our room.
Class! Okay.
They never listen.
I've heard it said that my hairdresser only knows for sure. Can you trim a little bit off the back of my hair? It's just sticking out. I look a little like Liberace right now.
I said trim!
You know, when it comes to pork belly politics, I've always heard it said that if you can't get in the front door, always use the back door.
Did you say that there's gonna be a water shortage?
Well, it's gone dry. Boom, 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 boom.
You know my last owner, he once used my ears as a clothesline. How about this one? If the wind picks up with these ears, I just might fly right out of here. Can you believe I used to do stand-up? That's why I'm laying down.
He's funny.
Stand up.